In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a payment method from TikTok Shop. This process is straightforward, and I will guide you through each step to ensure you can easily manage your payment settings. Let's get started. First, open the TikTok app on your device and sign into your account. You will see the familiar interface of TikTok filled with videos and content from creators. Signing in is crucial because it allows you to access your account settings and payment information. Ensure you enter the correct credentials so you can proceed without any interruptions. Once you are signed in, you will be ready to navigate to the Shop section. Next, tap on the Shop icon located in the lower tab menu next to the Home button. This icon typically resembles a shopping bag and is your gateway to the TikTok Shop. By tapping on it, you will be directed to a space where you can browse products and manage your payment details. This step is essential as it allows you to access the payment methods associated with your account. When you tap the shop icon, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout as it will help you navigate smoothly. From there, tap on the menu icon, which looks like three horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. This menu will expand and provide you with several options. Look for the payment option within this menu. Tapping on payment is important because it brings you directly to the section where you can manage your saved payment methods. Once you select payment, you should see a list of options related to your transactions and payment preferences. Now in the payments section, look for a heading that says Other Saved Methods. This section contains all the payment methods you have previously saved, such as Maya, credit or debit cards, and any linked bank accounts. It is vital to locate this section because it is where you will select the payment method you wish to remove. Take your time to review the listed methods to ensure you choose the correct one for deletion. After identifying the payment method you want to remove, tap on it. This action will prompt the app to recognize your choice and prepare for the next step. It is crucial to be careful here, as selecting the wrong method could lead to confusion later on. Once you have selected the payment method, you will proceed to the next step, which is essential for finalizing the removal process. Next, tap on the option that says Delete Payment Method. This is a significant step as it confirms your intention to remove the selected payment method from your TikTok Shop account. By doing this, you are taking control of your payment settings, ensuring that only the methods you want to keep are available. After you tap this option, you should feel confident that you are on the right track. Finally, a confirmation message will appear on the screen. This message is there to ensure that you really want to finalize the deletion. It will prompt you to select Remove to complete the process. This confirmation is essential as it prevents accidental deletions and ensures you are fully aware of the action you are about to take. Once you tap Remove, you will have successfully deleted the payment method from your account. If at any point the payment method appears grayed out or cannot be deleted, there may be a pending order or a temporary restriction on your account. In such cases, it is advisable to wait until all transactions are completed before trying again. If the issue persists, consider reaching out to TikTok support for assistance. They are equipped to help you resolve any concerns regarding your payment methods. By following these steps, you can easily manage your payment settings in TikTok Shop. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has helped you navigate the process smoothly.